Super secret sales secrets the top 0.3% don't want you to know, but are using behind your back. Before we get into them, welcome back, you transcendent soul. It is me, your guiding light, your Sherpa to success, getting you to your wildest dreams where you're taking regular trips to places normies can't even pronounce. It sounds good, so listen up. What are the super secret sales secrets? It's simple. 1. People don't say no to your offer. They say no to themselves. Fix their beliefs first and then pitch. Simple. 2. Objections are easier to destroy before they even show up. So attack false beliefs early. 3. Use proof with power. One 100k testimonial is better than 100 individual bullet points. 4. Emotion triggers the buy. Logic justifies it. And fear makes it happen now. And 5, which is maybe the most impactful one, so subscribe. Don't sell products. Sell the gap between where they are and where they want to be. And 6, maybe kills momentum. Take something away. FOMO is your friend. That is all for today. Thank you for listening. So be safe, be well, and as always, I am watching from afar, praying for your success.